आम गणर अच्छा ओडार आउ जड़े बरपुत्र भारतीय सेनार उपमुख्य लेफ्टिनेंट जनरल चंडी प्रसाद महांती से भारत मातृकार सेवा करने बहुत मेडल पाई। परम विशिष्ट सेवा मेडल, सेना मेडल, स्वतंत्र सेवा मेडल एवं ऑपरेशन पराक्रम मेडल एमती अनेक मेडल पाई। सबुठु बहुत बड़ कथा है लोकों सहित अति सहज मिसी जाती।
जय हिंद, जय जगन्नाथ, वंदे उत्कल जननी। मान्यवर श्रीयुक्त धर्मेंद्र प्रधान, ऑनरेबल मिनिस्टर ऑफ पेट्रोलियम एंड नेचुरल गैस, श्रीयुक्त रघुनाथ महापात्र, पद्म विभूषण एंड मेंबर ऑफ पार्लियामेंट, श्री सिद्धार्थ प्रधान, प्रेसिडेंट ऑफ ओडिया समाज, डिस्टिंग्विश्ड ऑडियंस, ओडिया डायस्पोरा अक्रॉस द वर्ल्ड और दिल्ली रे रहउथिबा मोर भाई भौणी माने, I feel privileged to be part of this august gathering and also participate in the mega venture launched by the Odia Samaj. आपण मानकु धन्यवाद जनाउछि for the honor that you have bestowed upon me, having given me this opportunity to interact with you as the 42nd Vice Chief of Army Staff of this great army and the first Odia to tenure this post. मु आशा करे जे कौनसी कारणवशत आपण मानक समक्षर निजे उपस्थित न होबा पई आपण माने मते क्षमा करिवे। मु भल रूपे जाने कि ओडिशा समाज has been rendering yeoman service for preservation and propagation of Odia culture, tradition and spirit of nationalism so prominently embedded in the history of our state. It is heartening to learn that over the last 4 years, Odia Samaj has brought forward numerous talents from the state and has given them an international platform showcasing the indomitable spirit of Odisha. एटा सुनिकी बहुत खुशी लगे जे endeavors made by the Odisha Samaj has brought about a change in the perception, the way Odisha is seen by people from outside the state, particularly in Delhi. वर्तमान मु किछि आर्म्ड फोर्सेस विषय आपण मानकु कहिबाकु चाहिबी। As on today, we have a moderate number of officers from Odisha in Army, Navy and Air Force and less than about 32,000 men and women serving in the armed forces. मु सेथिपाई गर्वित जे एते कम संख्या रे भी we Odias have proved a mettle in every field in the defense forces. However, I personally feel that youth from our state should join the defense forces in larger numbers to contribute and safeguard the interest of our motherland. This will be a tribute to the rich martial legacy that we have inherited over thousands of years. We need to build training centers in Odisha for preparing our youth for entry into services, particularly the written examination and service selection board. We must expose our children to NCC. We will be soon having more number of Sainik schools in India, wherein Odisha is likely to get a fair share. The concept is to convert the existing schools as Sainik schools on a day scholar model. मु एथिपाई आपण मानकर सहयोग चाहिबी। There is also a need to inculcate military awareness in our state by including requisite contents in our school textbooks of Odisha, unlike many northern states where large population is aware of Indian military history, rank structure, our organization, arms and services, the same knowledge that is not there in Odisha. It should be included in our civic studies. For example, Odisha रे बहुत लोगों को मेजर जनरल और मेजर भितरे कोटा डिफरेंस सेटा जाना नहीं. Similarly, the soldiers who retire at a fairly young age can also contribute positively by integrating them into our society. They can be role models and good trainers or teachers to promote character building and discipline. मु अत्यंत खुशी जे Odisha Samaj is making all efforts in highlighting the rich cultural and martial traditions of Odisha aimed at national building. And I am also sure that this will give impetus to each and every Indian for working towards the national cause. देखिबाकु हेले opportunities बहुत अच्छी. We need to promote our rich history, culture, dance and art form, the Odisha cuisine itself and places of tourist interest which have to find the pride of place in national and the world map. India's best kept secret, sponsorship of the Indian hockey team, are the steps in the right direction. Ladies and gentlemen, ମୋତେ ଏଇ ଯେଉଁ ସୁଯୋଗ ଦେଲେ ସେଥିପାଇଁ ଆପଣମାନ ସମସ୍ତଙ୍କୁ ବହୁତ ବହୁତ ଧନ୍ୟବାଦ ଦେଉଛି। I assure you, my love for my country, my beloved state will always spur me to rededicate myself to any noble cause. Wishing you all a very happy Utkal Divas in advance, and also wishing you and your families a very happy Holi. Jai Jagannath, Jai Hind.